Y'all sold us out fast and we've been working hard to catch up. We launched the NRS Expedition Tweezers. Your support was much bigger than we expected, and that's a good problem to have. But it did create some real problems. First off, we ran shorter than we planned. Number two, we had some internal notifications that didn't go the way I wanted them to go. And number three, the United States Postal Service really screwed up. But here's the important part. We took action, and we built something to help you even further. We put together a free mini tick course that covers what you actually need to know about ticks, how to avoid them, how to check for them, what to do if one attaches, and how to remove one properly. These are our NRS Expedition Tweezers. They're small, lightweight, titanium tweezers made to go in a first aid kit, your pack, truck, or even on your keyring. They're built for ticks, splinters, thorns, and the little problems that can become big problems when you do not have the right tool. I can't tell you how much we appreciate your patience and your support and the trust you've put into us to get this done right. And please know, when you buy something from Nature Reliance School like this, you're supporting free courses like the tick course, as well as our online and in-person training. But there's one more important detail you need to know. There have been some fraudulent Facebook posts that are using our videos, my image, and nearly everything to sell you, well, they're basically selling you nothing. They're just taking your money. So make sure you're looking right here at naturereliance.org for the NRS Expedition Tweezers. It's the only real deal. So if you missed that first go around, or you want to pick up a couple more free kits, please do. And now anybody who buys and everybody that's bought before is going to get access to the free tick course, because the best classroom has no walls.